If you followed the previous video successfully and paid for your hosting, you will get a few emails in your inbox. I'll be opening up my Gmail account through which I signed up to show you what the emails look like. So I have got a series of emails, out of which only one email is important. The email which is important is this: verification required, please verify your domain names as soon as possible. You will need to open it up and click the link which will verify your account. Once it is verified, open a new tab. Go to customers.asmallorange.com. There you will see a login link. Click on that and log in with the information you provided while you signed up. Also, you may also tick remember me in case you don't want the site to log you out. I'll be clicking login. In this screen you will see that you have purchased one domain and you have purchased one service from them. This service represents hosting that you purchased from them, and this domain represents the domain that you purchased from them. If you are using a domain which you have registered elsewhere, you will need to create an add-on which I'll be showing you a little later. For now we'll access our hosting. The first thing you will need to do is click on your services. In the next page that appears, click on View Details. When you are logging in for the first time, you will need to change your Cpanel password. You can do that by clicking on Change Password over here. I have already copied a password into my clipboard. I will just paste it and then save changes to change my password. You can see that a confirmation message, password change successfully, has come. Now it's time to go back to Information tab and click on Login to Cpanel. This is the main panel we'll be working with. Most probably this is what your Cpanel will look like, but if this is not what it looks like, then this should be what your Cpanel looks like. Wait, it's just loading. This is what your Cpanel should look like. You can switch to the modern view by clicking here, switch theme, and going to paper_lantern. This interface looks a lot more modern and is mobile responsive, which means that you can even operate this from mobiles. Now the main question is, under what domain do you want your website to be built? See, I have two domains, ichirayu.com, and I also own another domain, iakashlal.net. This is also my domain, and currently it's blank because I have not assigned any host to it. It'll just not load up. We will be using a CMS called Joomla to build our marketing website. If you want to install Joomla for ichirayu.com, you can go here and click in softaculous. As soon as I type SOF, you will see that under software, a softaculous apps installer will come up. I'll just click on it. Then I will choose Joomla by searching here. Then under portals/CMS, I will see Joomla. I'll click on it and click on install. Now it's asking for the version which I want to install. I'll let it be at 3.4.3, which is the latest, I guess. I'll let this be as http:// I will choose the domain as ichirayu.com, and in directory I will just leave this empty. See, what this directory does is, see, I have this site ichirayu.com. See, this is my main site. If I want Joomla to be loaded here, I will be leaving this empty. But if I want this website to be loaded at, say, marketing, if users will be able to put this and your marketing website should load up, then you should put up marketing here. So I need this, so I'll be putting up marketing. Here you can put in your site name, which is my marketing website, and then site description. This is a marketing site I am making. And under install sample data, you can just leave this as none, and you can leave this table prefix as it is. Now you'll need to choose your admin username and admin password. I'll be putting your Joomla tutor here. And under password, I will be putting something like your Joomla tutor at 1, and I'll be copying this. And under real name and administrator, you will need to put in your real email ID. You will be getting emails in case you forgot your own password. I'll be putting in my mail ID. And real name, I'll be putting it as marketer. Then site language, I want the site to be installed in English, so I will leave it as it is. And then I will hit install. Now the software will take some time to install itself on the server. Say installation is complete. I can go here to access my site. See, Joomla has installed over here, and I can administer the site by going here. This administrator section is called as backend, whereas this website is called as frontend. The main difference between the backend and frontend is that you will notice an extra administrator at the end of the URL. So in case you want to access the backend from the frontend, you can just type administrator and you will be sent to the backend. Now to log in here, you will need to put your username and password. I had set my username as your Joomla tutor, and my password, which I had earlier copied, I'll just paste it and hit login. This dashboard what you're seeing, this is the main Joomla dashboard. We'll be using this the most of the times, and this is Cpanel, whereas this is a small orange dashboard. Cpanel and the main dashboard, these are the two sections we'll be frequently using, whereas we'll need access to this panel to get into our Cpanel. Now for some reason, if you want to delete this installation and start from scratch, you can do so by going back to the Cpanel and scrolling down. Here you will see that I have installed Joomla 2 times, once on ichirari.com and other on ichirari.com/marketing, which I just did. I can just click here, and then it will ask me to remove directory, database and database user, and just hit remove installation. Then click OK. Now you will see that the installation has been removed successfully. Now you can go to ichirari.com/marketing. Now if you open this in a new tab, you will see a error because the installation has been removed.